Meaning of empanel.
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 Empanel. Empanel means to select and enroll individuals for a jury or as a member of a panel. The process involves evaluating the qualifications of potential jurors or panel members and selecting those who meet specific criteria. Once selected, these individuals are sworn in and become part of the jury or panel. The result of empaneling is the formation of a group of individuals who will hear and assess a case or evaluate a situation. This group will then be responsible for rendering a decision or providing recommendations based on their assessments and deliberations. Empaneling is a critical process that ensures a fair and impartial evaluation of cases and situations.